Hi City Beauties, I'm Nicole.
And I'm Lydia.
Hi, my name is Grace.
And I'm Susan.
And we are here today because we're going to compare drugstore versus luxury brand lip plumpers. And we're not going to know which is which. It's going to be a blind test, so it will be kind of fun to see which one we like best.
What I look for in a lip plumper is longevity, high shine. I want it to tingle so I know it's working, but I don't want it to burn. And I like something that's not super sparkly because I don't really do glitter, but that's just me.
I usually go for a lip balm for everyday wear, but whenever I want my lips to be a little bit juicier, then I'll go for a lip plumper, and it really needs to be moisturizing. It needs to last all day and feel good.
And I like something that will moisturize as well as plump, so I don't have to put on chapstick and like a gloss on top. That's a lot. I like minimal. What about you?
I like to feel like someone's biting my lip.
Ooh, okay.
And for a long time.
Okay. I love that.
I'm just saying.
And usually I like just a little bit of that tingling sensation so I know that it's working.
I love that tingling. Exactly, because you know it's working. I love them all the time, actually, because, you know, as you age, your lips sort of start to shrink a little bit. And I find that a lip plumper used underneath lipstick or even by itself makes a really big difference with how your lips look and, you know, in general, just how much better you look, I think. You know, when your lips are looking sort of more full and plump, you feel a little bit younger and a little prettier.
A good lip plumper for me needs to last a really long time.
It's a really long time.
Like all day, I can eat with it on. And also before I put it on, before I go to sleep, when I put it on, it should last through the night too.
Ooh, that's a good one. I've never really thought about it lasting all night. I think I know when a lip plumper is good is when I can see a visible difference and when I can feel it. I think when you can feel that tingling sensation, you know something's happening. And if you don't look right away and you wait a few minutes, you know, and you look back and you can really see a fullness and it sort of fills in. Well, you don't have any wrinkles, but when you get wrinkles in your lips, it fills that in, so you can really see a difference.
It looks a little bit glittery.
Yeah, it kind of does. Let me see. I'm going to try it on my, the true test on the hand. I don't know, but, oh, it's shimmery.
Yeah, no, I can tell right away that this is the drugstore one.
I think this is cheap. I think this is a little bit thinner.
Yeah, I agree. I think
than
it's
I would
cheap.
expect a more a luxury lip plumper.
Yeah, it has a little bit of iridescence, which might help with the instant plumping effect, just to draw some light.
And it's got like an iridescence to it, which I think is to make up for the fact that maybe it's not shiny. And it's really sticky, like goopy, sticky. Yeah, it's like sticky.
This is the stuff I wore in junior high.
Feels like it would be moisturizing.
Yeah, it
Not
feels,
too sticky.
I would say it's a little bit thin, so I wonder how long-lasting it is. I feel like in my experience, thicker formulas last longer.
Bonnie Bell Lip Smacker in
There
every
you go.
flavor.
So this one, I don't feel like it's very shiny.
It smells like vanilla to me. Kind of sweet.
Yeah.
I like the smell.
Yeah, it smells like vanilla.
Yeah. Which also makes me think it's drugstore because normally luxury brands are big on no fragrance
Oh, yeah,
now.
that's true.
I'm a sleuth.
And I wouldn't really expect any kind of fragrance.
Yeah,
Like,
I can't
not
tell
like
what
this.
it is. It's not really vanilla. It's
Kind of like
minty,
some...
kind of, I don't know.
Oh, I guess it could
You
be
smell
like
the
a
mints,
thin mint.
kinda, right?
I just have
It's a
Girl Scout
little bit.
cookies on my mind.
I also feel like it's like petroleum jelly-y.
Yeah.
Like I put Vaseline on my hand, which I don't love because Vaseline feels weird.
I don't like the texture either.
No, not on
Not
my
my hand.
not
I don't
my
feel
hand.
any tingling or anything on my hand, dude. No. I don't feel
It kind of
anything
just
on my
feels
hand.
like I rubbed some Vaseline on or something, maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm totally walking the halls of junior high.
Yeah.
It's kind of like you said, it's a little bit iridescent. So it's not really color, but there's definitely some.
Even the color.
I feel like I'm going to the mall with my girlfriends on like a Tuesday afternoon after school.
It feels nice, but it feels more like a lip gloss than a plumper. Like I don't feel anything really.
Mine kind of
working.
feels a little bit like a lip balm. Like it has that slip.
That's a good word. It has a slip.
There's nothing good about it.
It makes my lips purple, which like for my skin tone is like not cute.
I do see a little bit of the shimmer.
And yeah, I think it looks pretty. I don't know if it's plumping, but I think it looks pretty.
Yeah, I think
the
what you
shimmer-
said, it looks like a lip gloss.
Yeah, I agree. This feels more like a gloss than a plumper.
But like this might look good over a lipstick.
Can you guys look at each other and tell if it looks like a
I can't tell.
I can't tell either.
I am feeling a little coolness.
Oh,
I think it's the
I feel
mint,
that now
right?
too,
Yeah,
yeah.
I feel sort of a cool feeling on my lips.
Yeah. Once I spoke, I could feel it like through my
The
mouth.
air.
It's thin. It's thinner than I was expecting. And from the
You
swatch.
look like you're over it.
Well, cutting to the chase, it's like, yeah, I wouldn't buy it.
It's not my
and-
favorite.
No.
It's definitely not my
It
favorite.
has a little bit
It
of
doesn't
tingle,
have a
which I
little
like,
tingle,
but
yeah.
it's like that total fakey color not found in nature.
Yeah, it's like a lilac. It's like an iridescent lilac.
But if I was in junior high, I would like it,
yeah,
which
I feel like I'm going to the mall.
Okay. I'm guessing that this is drugstore.
Yeah, I agree. I think this is drugstore too.
Does it have anything that would make you think it's luxury?
Not really. It kind of reminds me of something you might get at Claire's because of the shimmer.
oh, do you taste that?
Yeah, I don't. What is
Funky
that?
taste.
I don't know what that tastes
it.
like.
It's wrong.
Like it could be toothpaste.
I actually don't mind the shimmer because I feel like it makes your lips look fuller, but I don't feel like it's actually doing anything. I feel like it's just more surface. You know, maybe a little glossy, but not really like that full tingly effect.
Box, please,
Yeah.
to remove. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not happening.
Kind of makeup without the long-term benefits, maybe.
Like I don't think it plumped anything, but I am getting some sort of stimulation. I
Well,
don't know if
that's a
it feels
good
like
thing.
someone's biting my lip. Don't know if I could. I don't know if it goes that far.
Oh, you'll know.
See.
Okay, so immediately this one isn't as glittery.
When I swatch it on my hand, the wand actually moves really slow. So this one feels a lot thicker.
I don't know that I can tell a difference between this one and the last one consistency-wise.
I can, and
Definitely feels different. It's thicker.
Feels a lot thicker. The wand moves slowly. Color is pretty much clear.
Yeah, it's just shiny, no iridescence.
my hand's not going a weird hue,
Yes.
but I
agree
can't
with that.
translate my hand to how it's going to feel
Yeah.
on my lips.
Yeah, I'm gonna say this one is a little bit thicker than the other one. It's just as sticky, not too sticky.
Shiny, but not iridescent.
But this one has a fragrance too. I
It's
like
sweeter.
it. Yeah, and it smells
And it's subtler.
not fake,
Yeah, less,
chemically.
yeah.
I kind of think it has a similar scent. A little
I
bit
agree.
of that
Yeah.
sweet,
Just
sweet
barely,
smell.
not minty though. More vanilla-y. Okay, the true test on the lips. Definitely thicker.
It feels instantly soothing on my lips. My lips were really dry before this, and this feels really good to have on.
Oh yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, this is a lot nicer.
Now I wouldn't say a bite, but a nibble has begun.
I'm waiting for the tingle. Is it coming? It feels really good.
I feel like this highlights sort of the natural color of the lips rather than masking it.
Yeah.
I also wish I could dip back in. I need a
I
little
would want more too.
Yeah,
I like
need a
it.
little more. Need like a dunk for the bottom lip and then a dunk for the top lip.
Yeah.
Feels like it's gonna stay on a lot longer too.
Yeah.
You know, like there's just more to it. There's more weight to it.
Can you say how it feels compared to the other one?
It feels a lot more substantial, like that thicker feeling is really apparent on my lips, but it's not uncomfortable. It's not like I'm going to be aware of it throughout the day, but it just feels extra nourishing right now.
And it's not sticky.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's not like, I hate it when it's sticky. It doesn't feel sticky. It just feels nourished.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah,
This
I
one
like
feels more luxurious, and I have it on my fingers, and it's sticky, but it's not like it'll never come off sticky.
I kind of like that it doesn't have the shimmer because I can go a little bit outside of my lip line, and I feel like when you go outside, you get that shine.
More, and it plumps it more because it plumps that outer part. I don't know. Do I look more plump? Not me, but my lips. I don't want to look more plump. I want my lips to look more plump.
I think so, and I feel like my upper lip
it does.
has a little bit more volume now. Oh.
But it's hard to tell because it's shiny too, so I think that adds to it.
Yeah, it's
I like that this one feels better.
Yeah.
Like I would want to wear this one more than the other one,
Yeah.
regardless which one it is. I'm guessing it's the luxury because I like it better.
I think this one's the luxury too.
You know what? I'm just going back and forth between the two, and
It feels more like a gloss and less like
yeah. And this one really adheres. Like the other one before, it's like pretty much gone, and this one is.
And I already see a difference in my bottom lip. I think my top lip's a lost cause, but bottom lip for sure.
I see a little bit because I put it outside the edge a little bit, and I can see a little bit of difference.
I feel like my upper lip looks a little bit plumper, and it helps with the shine too. There's like an instant effect thanks to the shine.
Mine has just gradually, I feel tingle on the outer parts of my lip. And as I'm looking, it looks like I have color on my lips, but I don't because I think that the lip plumper itself, that tingling sort of brings out your own natural color in your lips. Because don't they look?
Yeah, your
right?
lips look rosier now.
And this was a clear, so I like that.
Okay, so first one was drugstore or luxury? Nicole.
Drugstore.
Okay.
First one was drugstore.
And how confident are you?
100%.
Me too. I hope we're right.
Okay, you were right.
Yay!
I knew it.
It's amazing that you can really tell a difference, you know?
It feels really good.
I guess you get what you pay for.
Mm-hmm.
I like the second one a lot better. Like
Me
if I
too.
were to pick one today, I think I would go home with the second one.
Well, I still have the aftertaste of the first one in my mouth,
Yeah.
which is not a good thing. This one doesn't
Can
have.
you tell a taste with this one?
There's a really light fragrance that I like, but there's
Okay.
no taste with this one.
Yeah, I don't think I taste anything with this one either, which I like because
Yeah.
I don't even really like the taste of lipstick.
No.
You
it's-
know,
it's
much
wrong.
less, and
Yeah.
then you have something sticky and that's more easily could go in your mouth.
Yeah. I far prefer this one.
Yeah, I do too. I think
Clearly, this is the luxury.
yes, I
brand.
think this is the luxury too.
Thanks for watching City Beauties. Let us know what other drugstore versus luxury products you want us to try in the future.
Bye.
Have you ever heard to like rub cinnamon on your lips? I've heard
I
that.
haven't.
I've heard that. It's like you want like a quick rub
We
cinnamon.
used to with Red Hots, the little Jolly
Oh,
Rancher Red
yeah,
Hots do that. It kind of did that.
Yeah. I have so many cinnamon candies now. I totally see that.